Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Best Buy account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Best Buy account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in bestbuy.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Best Buy login on the Google itself and hit enter, and you can see the sign in to Best Buy on the first result of Google. Click over there, and now this is the direct login page of Best Buy. Now let's go to our home page first, and you can see this is the first page of Best Buy when we go to the website from the direct web address, and this result was from the Google result itself. Now first let's log into our Best Buy from the homepage of Best Buy. Now let's choose United States or Canada or Mexico, that's upon you. For me to do this one. Now to log into your Best Buy account, you can see the account option available over here on the top right corner of your screen. Click over there, and after that you can see the sign in and the create your account button. If you have not yet signed up for Best Buy, you can see the click on create account button to go through a procedure to create an account on Best Buy. Now let's sign into our Best Buy account. And now on this page you can see both of these websites are same, both are login pages. So let's close one of these. Now to log into your Best Buy account from over here, you'll be required to enter your email address over here, and after that enter your password over here and click on sign in to log into your Best Buy account. Or if you have forgotten your password, you can see the forgot your password option available over here. Click over there to go through a procedure to retrieve your password of Best Buy account. Or if you want to sign into your Best Buy account with your Apple or your Google account, you can just click on them, and you will find these login pages of Apple ID and your Google ID. You can just enter your email over here and choose your email over here to log into Best Buy account with your Google or your Apple ID. So let's go back. Or you can just sign in with the web authentication from over here if you have one. And there guys, this is how you log into your Best Buy account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.